Hi, I'm Brian with the EZ Polish system. The EZ Meter is a crucial instrument required to get accurate readings every single time. I'm here to show you how to recalibrate your EZ Meter in the event it becomes uncalibrated. So what I have here is a meter that is currently out of calibration. Inside the box I have the meter itself. I have the charging wires, charging cords. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the meter here, take it out, make sure the window's open, revealing the stylus on the bottom, power the machine on. This is my reference specimen. It's set to a 229 UIN scratch surface between the two windows there. It gives me a basis to read or to calibrate the machine to. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set it down here, take your machine, make sure it's set to RA, set it down right on top, and press the test button. So the results I got were 220.94 UIN. Specimen was supposed to be 229, so that's what it should have given me a reading of. So what I'm going to do is I need to recalibrate it. It's off by 9 UIN points at this point in time. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it off. I'm going to turn it back on, but when I do so, I'm going to hold down the power button and hold down the test button for 3 seconds. So hold them both down, let off. It'll set it into the UM scale, and at this point in time I can go up or down with the UM. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to recalibrate it by pressing up, because the surface of this sample specimen here is 229 UIN or 5.81 UM. So I'm going to go up to 5.81 on the UM by just pressing up. There it was. So once I have it there, I'm going to set it back down on the specimen. And to save the settings, you press the test button and then you hold the power button down for 3 seconds as it's reading and let off. It'll take a reading and then it'll turn the machine off after that. So I'm going to turn the machine back on, and to turn it back from UM to UIN, hold down the right button here. Go ahead and set it back down on your sample specimen. Press the test button again, and just go ahead and let it test. So I got a 232.22 UIN, so I'm 3 points too high at this point. So sometimes it requires some subtle variations when you're calibrating it. So I'll show you how to do a subtle variation on here now. So go ahead and turn it off. Get back into calibration mode by holding the power button and the testing button down for 3 seconds. Let off. Let's bring it down. Instead of 5.81, let's drop it down to 5.79. Go ahead and set it back down on your surface. Press the test button, hold the power button down to save the setting. And let's turn it on again. Change it back from UM to UIN. And let's take another sample. So as you can see here, my reading is 229.32, which matches up with the 229 UIN that my reference specimen is set to. So this instrument's been recalibrated now. It's now accurate to take floor readings on all your EZ Polish projects. Some of the reasons why they become uncalibrated is tossing it around in the back of the truck after you're done with the job. That'll cause it to jumble up and uncalibrate itself. Another reason is improperly setting it down on the floor and getting that stylus to bounce up and down, move around. That also causes it to uncalibrate. So sometimes it does require that you recalibrate it. This was a simple way of doing so.